make one more component here to accommodate our titling system. Alright, so I'm going to just draw a blue box in our screen base. We're going to make this component inside here. I think that works better for our for context, but we'll pull it out in a second. I'm going to use my color system here, fill, blue. I'm going to make that 200 tall, increment of 4 or 8. Okay, now I'm going to add some text. Alright, text tool, draw me a box. Alright, I'm going to use the font Oswald, regular, and 40 in white. I'm going to make it left justified. I'm going to just generically say title. Whoops, I didn't change it to 40. 40. Oh, wrong. I had the wrong one. Okay, cool. Alright, that looks great. Alright, it's inside this here box. So I'm going to grab these both, and I'm going to make this into a component. Right now it's generically named component 1. I'm going to name this title bar. Tremendous. Alright, now we're going to institute a variable. Sorry, property rather. Alright, so I'm going to click into this guy. Now that we have it established, I think it's best to pull that out. Because we've got that grid established, we can put that on there so we can see it on our component. We can go to assets and pull an instance of that component in context of that. Alright, I think that's best. Now to create a property, so the concept of this is that I want this to be able to change without having to change the whole component or copy and paste like we did when we were little tykes. So I'm going to click in that component and select the text box. And in the properties, there's this little doohickey here that says create text property. Push that. Okay, and it says, hey, what do you want it to be called? I'm going to call it title. And then we can change what the default text is in here. So we can say title input if we wanted to. And we can create said title input. Alright, the beauty of this is that now we can change this where it says title input. We can change this into different words. So we can say welcome. And then we can change this to schedule. And once again, if we change something up here, which we do quite frequently, it changes everywhere. Now that looks awful, so we don't want to do that. Alright, and then to change this to light mode, we can select all these guys, multi-select, and then change said to default dark, and now things are just coming together for us like peas and carrots. This one's favorites. And this one is messages in search. So I'm going to copy this, paste, paste. I'm going to make this like search. search. And this one, we'll make this one say, oh, that ain't right. I'm gonna make this say, oh, it looks like I messed this one up too. I'll make this one say messages. And this, let's see, messed that up, but no big deal. Change that to messages. Perfect. Go down here to faves. Change that to search. I want you making fun of me now. Alright, cool. Alright, now we've got ourselves a cool app. A prototype. Home, schedule, favorites, messages. Okay, I didn't link that up, but you would have by now. Alright, them's basics. But we'll continue on with this as we move on to different subjects. Happy clicking.